Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Many people know how to make money. Some even know how to grow money. But very few know how to make money stay. That's why income comes and disappears. Today I introduce a brand new wealth framework. Fire the wealth retention field. This explains why wealth sticks to certain people naturally and escapes others repeatedly. Medium white star section 1. What is a wealth retention field? A wealth retention field is the invisible financial environment around a person that determines how money behaves when it arrives, whether income accumulates or leaks, how long wealth remains stable. Money reacts to systems, not wishes. Medium white star section 2. WHY money leaks from most people because they have crossmark no financial containment, crossmark emotional spending habits, crossmark lifestyle inflation, crossmark weak planning systems, crossmark identity instability. Without a retention field, income evaporates. Medium white star section 3. The 4 components of a strong retention field. Component 1. Structure, boundaries, budgets, spending limits, saving rules. Boundaries keep money contained. Component 2. Emotional control, spending without emotion, delaying gratification, separating mood from money. Emotional discipline strengthens retention. Gear hatch. Component 3. Automation systems, automatic saving, automatic investing, automatic expense control. Automation removes human weakness. Component 4. Future anchoring, long-term goals, wealth vision, identity alignment. Money stays where the future is clear. Medium white star section 4. How to build your wealth retention field. Keycap 1. Create non-negotiable money rules. Keycap 2. Automate saving and investing. Keycap 3. Reduce lifestyle expansion. Keycap 4. Track money weekly. Keycap 5. Align spending with future. Identity retention is trained, not accidental. Medium white star section 5. Signs your retention field is active. White heavy checkmark. Income stops disappearing. White heavy checkmark. Savings grow quietly. White heavy checkmark. Less financial anxiety. White heavy checkmark. Fewer impulse decisions. White heavy checkmark. Wealth compounds calmly. Bullseye. Conclusion. Money is not disloyal. Fire. It stays where it feels safe. Build the wealth retention field and money will stop escaping you.